Oh hey, didn't see you there. What's going on, you incredible people? Today we've got another unboxing, and this time we're gonna be boxing the Google Pixel 3 XL. It took me quite some time to get this, but I finally got it in today, and we're gonna do this. Front of the box is just the back of the Pixel. It's very nice with that nice 12 megapixel camera, the nice glass back. Ooh, so nice. Flip it over, you got Team Pixel. Flip it back over, you got the Pixel phone. Flip back over, hashtag Team Pixel. I like that they included pull tabs this time, instead of having to actually cut it. Nothing underneath. So you're already starting off with the phone. Let's get that out right here now. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna set that off to the side since that is the main purpose why you're here. All right, so you've got some little booklet, SIM ejector tool, let's get started guide. Ooh, Team Pixel Google logo sticker. I like that. That's gonna go somewhere. And then a booklet. This looks like, oh, it's your Pixel earbuds, Type-C. Your USB-C to C cable, USB-A to C, the infamous dongle. Guys, I've officially reached a dongle life. And last but not least, the charging block. Now it's time for the device. Let's take off this wrapping. Ooh. Ooh. I love that. That notch isn't that bad. I don't know what these people are freaking out about. Oh, this nice soft back too. This is actually pretty light. So at the back, you got your fingerprint scanner, you've got your 12 megapixel camera. Google is sticking with one lens, which is fantastic because I don't really think they need to go with two lenses. If no one really uses a telephoto lens, there's no point of having it. Got your dual LED flash. Left side of the phone is blank. The right side, you got your power button and then your volume rocker right there. Top of the device has a microphone hole. Bottom, you've got your USB Type-C port, and then your SIM ejector tool is at the bottom of the device this time instead of the top. So the notch really doesn't seem that bad. I've seen notches on the iPhone before, and I don't know why people complain about them that much. If you don't pay attention to it, there's no point of complaining. Let's go ahead and get this started. All right, while the phone is checking for updates, you got a speaker grill right there, and the other speaker grill is gonna be your earpiece. So when you are watching videos on YouTube or Hulu or Netflix, you're gonna have the speaker sound coming at your face instead of on the side like most phones. Made it to the home screen, only took forever, but we've made it. Speaking of screens, the screen size is 6.3 and it is an OLED display, coming in at 1440 by 2960. And honestly, these colors are really nice. The Pixel 3 also does come with wireless charging since the phone front and back is made out of glass. And at night, just charge your phone. Now see how fast this fingerprint sensor is. Let's do it again. Pretty responsive. So there are two different storage sizes for the Pixel 3 XL. You can either get it in 64 gigabytes or 128 gigs. They both come with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Again, you get a 12 megapixel camera. The battery comes in at 3430, so it's a pretty big battery, so it should get you around a day, maybe less depending on what you're doing. You're also getting a Snapdragon 845 processor from Qualcomm, so everything's gonna be quick. Android 9.0 does come on the device by default, and with Google, you will be able to get updates for the next 2 years. So that's good. You are able to get rid of this notch if you don't like it. All you gotta do is go into settings, scroll down to system, about, and then tap the build number 7 times so it'll allow you to be a developer. From there, you go into the search bar, type in notch, and you'll see display cutout. It scrolls down to the bottom for you and it's gonna automatically be at the bottom of the developer options. Tap it and you can hide it, and it automatically changes. Going back to the camera, the front-facing camera is 8 megapixels and it is able to do wide selfies or ultra-wide selfies. Here, we'll do a wide selfie too. Getting a bunch of stuff in the background. As we check that out, that wide-angle lens is dope, everybody. So much better than the Galaxy one where you have to tilt it from side to side just to make sure you have everybody in frame. So we're gonna go ahead and try portrait mode out. All right, so I've got stuff in the background. Holy crap, that actually does really well. Everything in the background is blurred. It's picking out every detail and pretty much blurring it behind me. Look at that. It's even picking out all my facial hair and my shirt. Damn, that's good. This camera is bomb! All right, so let's flip it around and actually take a picture of the box. So picture quality looks top notch. I mean, it is Google, so they have their software running behind it. Plus you have that awesome hardware. And the Pixel line has always had one of the best cameras. I really liked mine on the original Pixel XL. Top notch quality! So as far as video quality goes, the front-facing camera does 1080p. For the back, you do get up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Kind of wish it was 60 like some other phones out there, but Google's just leaving it as is. So the camera also does come with a few features, one being Top Shot. So it's basically just a whole motion of one picture and you're able to slide through and choose the best picture out of them. So if, say somebody ends up blinking, but in a few other slides down, they're not blinking, you can choose that one as your actual picture that you want. You also have night sight. The Pixel camera does well in low light to begin with, but with night sight coming in, a lot of the pictures are gonna be more enhanced and you'll be able to see them a lot more clear. I kinda wanna try this in low light now. We're gonna do just that. Hey, shut the lights off.
You got it, turning off 2 lights.
All right, hold phone steady. Take a picture. Nice, so there's about a 3-second delay on it. When looking at it, going from the original picture to the night sight, you can see the desk is a little lit up along with the blanket from my bed and everything else. In a real scenario where it is nighttime, you're gonna be okay. Last feature for the camera is gonna be super res zoom. Basically what it does is instead of having the telephoto lens, you can zoom in and you're able to take in close-up pictures and there's not gonna be any blur to the pictures that you have taken. Carrying over from the Pixel 2 is going to be the Active Edge feature, so all you do is squeeze the bottom half of the phone and Google Assistant basically comes up for you.
I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Starting price for the Pixel 3 XL is going to be $899 US dollars, 464 gigs, and $999 for 128 gigs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the Pixel 3 XL. If you did, definitely leave a comment and hit that thumbs up. Also, if you do want me to do a video review on the Pixel 3, let me know in the comments and I will do that as fast as possible. Otherwise, with that, stay incredible, people. Peace.